All right, what I'm going to do is show you how to do some very cool things for fitness programming with Chat GPT. If you're not familiar with it, it is from OpenAI. If you take a look at the URL here, I'll include it below. It's chat.openai.com. You'll have to set up a account to use it. But if you scroll down here, it kind of works like a chat where we can ask questions. We can ask the AI to do a whole lot of stuff. So in this video, I'm just going to show you some of the cool things you can do for workout programming. So it is important to remember that AI can be wrong sometimes, so you have to be mindful and spot check any of the work and modify it as necessary, especially if you're a trainer and you want to design this for clients. But it has a lot of great ways that you can create some ideas and creative programming options for your clients too, so it is pretty cool. Or if you're here just looking for your own workout for the new year. So if I drop in here and I just want to have a general workout done, let's say we can do something really simple, and then we can ask Chat GPT to write us a workout. So we can remember the kind of input that you put in here is going to be the quality of the result that you get. So we have to ask some specific questions. So let's say we want to have a 15-minute fitness program designed for us. Let's make it simple. And we can say, create a 15-minute workout, and then just hit enter, and then we can see what it will produce. And it says, here's a 15-minute workout that you could do at home. So it filled in the at-home option for us, and it starts to go through some kind of general exercise recommendations. So do a warm-up, do some strength training, do some cardio, and do some cool down. Okay, so that's pretty general. We want to have something that is much more specific. So now let's add in a couple of additional prompts here. Create a 15-minute full body workout that uses only dumbbells. Okay, and then if we add that in, and its response is, here's a 15-minute full body workout that uses dumbbells. So it's going to start off with a warm-up, 5 minutes of light cardio, then squats, and it gives us some general recommendations for techniques and how many reps to do, 8 to 12. Lunges with some recommendations, 8 to 12 reps, push-ups, bicep curls. Okay, so it's just throwing in some additional random exercises here, working legs, working upper body, and it will give us some just different types of workouts. Okay, so you can get more and more specific. Okay, so if we use that same thing, okay, so if I grab that prompt and I scroll down here again, and then I'm going to go that says uses only dumbbells and includes one exercise per body part. I'm just doing this so I want you to see what happens as you enter in these different prompts. Now, one exercise per body part, so the AI should understand what that is. You'd be amazed at what the AI actually knows how to do based upon what you're saying. So the more specific you are, the more you're going to get the kind of results that you want. So we have a chest press, we have a bicep curl, we have, what else is it going to do here? Tricep dips. Okay, shoulder presses. So it is conforming to what we had said. Per body part, basically a different area of the body. A leg press is now thrown in there. Okay, and a cool down. All right. So we have a number of different options here for that. Now, let's do something a little bit more specific. So create a chest workout that takes less than 15 minutes and uses only dumbbells. Okay, so now we have something specific that we're asking for a chest workout. So that gives us a little bit more focus on one area. So it's going to give us the warm-up, it's giving us chest presses, it's giving us chest flies. Let's see what else it does here. Chest press with rotation, so it's giving you something else to do here for chest. Okay, push-ups. All right, and then a cool down. Okay, so we can give it very specific instructions. Now, the other thing we could say is far more complex. Create a 7 day bodybuilding routine that can be done at the gym. Let's see what this does. Okay, day 1, chest and triceps, giving us exercise options. Day 2, back and biceps, giving us exercise options. Day 3 is giving us a day off. Day 4 is shoulders and legs. Day 5 is abs and cardio. This is pretty cool. And then day 7, it's giving us a full body workout. Okay, so this is pretty interesting. All right, now what we can do is we want to tidy that up a little bit more. We can also say recommend reps, repetitions, sets, and rest times for those exercises. Okay, let's see what it does. It's going to depend on the fitness level. Here's some general guidelines. Okay, so it's not going to go back through and do that. I may have to write a different prompt. Okay, but it's giving us general recommendations for muscle endurance, muscle strength, and muscle size. Okay. But as you can see here, there's a lot of different ways that you can utilize this to write different workouts. So this was pretty awesome as to what it did there. Okay, a 7-day bodybuilding routine. Okay, we can also use different styles of workouts. You could say write or create a 20-minute CrossFit style workout. Okay. All right, and let's see what it produces here. It's giving us an AMRAP, which stands for as many rounds as possible in 20 minutes. There you go, giving 4 exercises to do along with a cool down. Okay. I'm going to enter just a couple of random additional prompts here so you see what this is capable of. Create a workout to strengthen the core muscles and reduce lower back stiffness. So this is very specific here. And let's see what this comes up with. Starting with warm-up, of course, with light cardio. It likes to keep going to the warm-ups to begin with here, huh? Recommends planks, holding for 30 seconds and then resting for 30 seconds for 2 to 3 sets. Russian twists, 10 to 15 reps on each side for 2 to 3 sets. Reverse crunches. Bird dogs, which is a common rehabilitative exercise. Okay, and then doing your cool down. So it's a nice little core workout here. Okay, so as you can see here, that what Chat GPT is really capable of here is doing a lot of different things. Would I take this and use this only to design workouts? No, I would not. But what I would do is use this as examples and ideas. One of the things that Chat GPT is going to absolutely stop is the issue of basically writer's block, which is just sitting down and, not being able to think about what am I going to write or how am I going to design this that's different. You can use a lot of different prompts to help get this going. And then after reading this, you could see where you want to clean it up. Like, for example, I wouldn't do this workout in this order. There's some tweaks that I would have for reps and sets. But that's a heck of a lot easier than just sitting in front of an empty screen having to generate ideas. So some of the ideas are ready to go right out of the box. This could be a great 20-minute workout, CrossFit style workout. This one might need a little bit of tweaking for the core, but it does so many cool things that there are just a lot of great options to generate so that you never get bored from your workouts or coming up with creative ideas. So make sure that you check out Chat OpenAI and be back to this channel. Be sure you give me a thumbs up and a comment and a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to show you a lot more cool things that you can do with Chat OpenAI for fitness, health, even business applications. Thanks for watching.